Welcome back to the bench. Slightly different video this time, and I'm in the picture, which I'm normally not. I'm normally at the bench with the camera pointing down, so I thought this one I'd do a bit differently. What we're going to do today is show you how to turn this cheap set of LED strings, which came from the Euro shop. I live here in Germany, so we have Euro shops, not pound shops. So it's just a string of 50 LEDs and a AA battery holder and a switch. Pretty simple. And we're going to combine that with an old wine bottle to make a decorative lamp. Now you can use this as a Christmas decoration, or you can just use it all year round. It looks quite pretty. Nice distribution of the LEDs in there, and yeah, it looks pretty good at night when you got the lights dimmed. So in order to drill our hole, we have just a normal cordless drill. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Definitely doesn't need to be a hammer drill, because that would not work, it would break it. And we have here, if you can see it, this is a special bit for drilling glass. It's very pointed, so it goes through slowly. We have some WD-40 for a bit of lubrication and to keep any dust particles down. And to lubricate me, we have some Asbach, which is a type of German brandy, Asbach Ultra. If you can find this in the shops where you are, I would highly recommend it. It's a nice drop to keep you lubricated and warm in winter. So without further ado, let's go over to the bench and we will start drilling our bottle. Okay, so we're at the bench. So we'll lay our bottle down. Now this is quite a nice bottle. It has a kind of a fancy D, which is in the shape of the logo here. I recommend that you drill the hole in the bottle first before you go to the hassle of removing all the labels, because if you do break the bottle, then you haven't wasted time soaking off the labels. So we'll lay our bottle down and we'll take our drill and our drill bit. Okay, and then we'll start it off really slowly. Once it's started to bite and we've got a little foothold there, give it a little spray with WD-40. We want to keep down the dust, because obviously glass dust is probably not going to be good if you breathe it in, and you don't want it going everywhere. So now you can ramp up the speed. Okay, so now you can see we're through. And our glass drill bit has made a nice clean hole on the outside. It's a little bit frayed on the outside because it jerked a little bit at the end, but that's not really much of a problem. So what we can do now is go and clean up our bottle, and then we'll be able to insert our lights into there. So now we've got our bottle drilled, labels removed, washed out. It's time to insert our LEDs. What I like to do is to insert the LED strip and get it to come out the top, and then pull all the other LEDs through first, and then push the strip back down. So let's see if we can get that to work. Almost got you. Yeah, so it's a lot easier to get the all the LEDs in by pushing it through like this first. Right, now we can just shove our LED strip back in this way, and hopefully it'll make a nice random pattern. Okay, we can try and use our spudger to push that last little bit down. Hopefully we can get it so that there are no LEDs left in the neck, so they're all inside the bottle. Yes, there we go. So that's all our LEDs in pretty much. And contact. So, as you can see, it makes a nice lamp. So good for putting on the, you can put it on your dining room table, you know, amaze your guests. It looks nice. If you want to get really fancy, you could probably maybe drill the hole through the bottom and maybe make some kind of wooden plinth for it to sit on so that it hides the battery pack. But yeah, I'm not going there. I drilled the hole in the back. You can just put it on the window lid like this, a couple of them, and you know, you've got a kind of a nice night light. And it almost looks like a bottle full of fireflies buzzing around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And you can always leave comments below for feedback. And if you're not already a subscriber, then consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified of future uploads, you can always ring that bell icon. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.